Cold mud beneath my feet, a pulse I cannot see. Petals fall like rain through a season with no name. Ooh, oh, pierce through the moment, walking on the clay, a path that turns to rose. Watch the universe grow. Pierce deep inside. Your waves wash over me, a self I've yet to be. Every door will bloom in this crowded room. Gravity starts to shift. Now I feel the lift. Lines begin to meet, pieces at my feet, dazzling and bright. I'll surrender to light. Pierce through the moment, walking on the clays. Watch the universe grow, this eternal grace.